In this series of videos, we've been looking at sharing folders in Google Drive. When you share a folder in Google Drive, any document you place in that folder takes on the same edit rights as what the shared folder has. So we've looked at sharing a folder with full edit rights and what happens when someone alters the document in the shared folder, if they move the document out of the shared folder, or if they delete the document. It happens for everybody that that folder is shared with. So let's take a look at another way that you can share a folder. So I've got the shared folder that I've been working with here. I'm going to go to Share and Share, and we can see that this document has been shared with full edit rights. We're going to change that to Can View. When you share a folder with Can View rights, any document that you place in the folder also has those same rights, which means people will be able to view the documents, but they will not be able to make changes to the document. So we'll go ahead and save the changes, and we'll click Done. Now let's go ahead and add a document to that folder. So I'm going to share the folder, or share the document, by placing it into the Share folder, and I'm going to add it to the Share folder. Click Apply Changes, and we'll close that, and we can see that that document has been shared by this person. So I'm going to open up my shared folder, and I'm going to open up this document, and we can see I'm the owner of the document. I have full edit rights to this document. But the folder, we changed those edit rights to Can View. So let's open up and the document in this person's account, and we can see I have File, Edit, View, and Help, and that's it. If I try and type on this document, I'm not going to be able to, because I only have view rights to this document. Here in my account, I am the owner of the document. I have full edit rights to the document, which means I will be able to make changes to the document, and they will change on everybody that the folder is shared with, but the people who have the folder is shared with only have view rights. They will only be able to see the changes that have been made. They will not be able to make any changes themselves. They cannot rename the document. If we close the document here and go back to Google Drive, they will not be able to move the document either. Here it says the document is still in that folder when I tried to move it. I will not be able to delete the document either, because I only have view rights to this document. So by sharing a folder with view only rights, that secures the documents within the folder to a degree. Let's say I really did need to make changes to this document. Could I still do that even though I only have view only rights? Yes, you can. If I open the document, what I can do is I can make a copy of this document. So I can go to File, Make a Copy. And what this does is it makes an exact copy of the document, and it places that document into my drive. I can make changes to the document, but you'll notice those changes were not made over here. And the reason why is because this is a copy of that document. It is not the original document itself. So again, here is the original document. This is a copy of that document. I can now make changes to that document, but it's not going to harm the original. And if we go back to my drive list, we will see on my drive I have a copy of the shared document. That is a copy of this document that's in this folder. So I can now make changes to the document, but I'm not harming the original. So if you do need to make changes to a document that has been placed in a folder with view only rights, the best thing to do is to make a copy of that document. The original is not altered then, but you do have the ability to make changes to the document.